Back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook a delicious pan-fried salmon. I'll be serving that with some new potato and some greens. The greens I'm serving that with some spinach and some lovely green beans cooked down with coconut oil. Sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon. Let's get into the video. So some of the list of the ingredients I have some baby spinach here, and I have two lovely cut of salmon. That's what I'm gonna execute this lovely salmon recipe with. Some green beans, we have some onion over here, a bit of all-purpose. We're going to use some Himalaya salt, a bit of black pepper. We have some flour here. I'm gonna add some milk because I'm gonna make a lovely cream sauce to go with our fish. So for the vegetables, I'm gonna go in with some organic coconut oil. So that's what I'm gonna start it off with. So next up, I'm gonna put a garlic in, some onion. We're gonna season everything. A bit of all-purpose. I have some seasoning which I made up, so that's what I'm utilizing it. We're gonna go in with our greens. So normally you would boil these, but I'm gonna take a different approach. I'm gonna go over this with some vegetable stock. Adding a bit of black pepper to this. Next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the lid straight on that, and I need to let this cook down a little bit. So here I have my pan on, and that's for my fish, so I'm gonna bring this up to temperature. Next up, a bit of oil. Whatever oil you have, just utilize it. So here we have our two fish. I'm gonna go over with a bit of Himalaya salt, some black pepper, I'm not going to go over this with some Lyndon season. Next, let's flip him over. We're going to repeat the same process. So ensure to season on both sides. Try to mop up these with the sides here. Next up, we're going to go in the fish, and I'm going to put the bottom first. So at this point, don't quick to turn it, just leave it a bit. Now to my fish pan, a bit of butter. What I'll be doing now, this is my first turn. So now I'm gonna turn the gas down a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, kind of turn the sides so I get the side also, so it's cooked evenly. And the reason for doing this is so that they get a nice even color. So now these are ready. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the pan off and just let this sit and relax a little bit. What I'm going to do now, we're back over to our veg. We're going to put the spinach straight in. We're going to add a bit of seasoning on this. Then we're going to put the lid back on this. Next thing we're going to work on now, we're going to work on our sauce. A bit of butter. Now we're going to make this melt a bit. Next up, we're going to add our flour to this. When you're making this, don't add too much flour to it. You want a very light sauce. Next up, we're going to pour our milk in. Ensure to keep stirring. I'm going to show you the consistency of this. Trust me, it doesn't get better than this. Seen that? That's the consistency you want. Next thing I'm going to add to this, we have some stock. I'm going to add a bit of stock in this. So the stock have flavors in it, have enough salt in it. And rules of thumbs, when making this, it must coat the back of a spoon. So you haven't seen I put any spoon in it yet, so I'm going to do that now. Once it coats the back of the spoon, or your hand can run through it, you have a lovely sauce and a good consistency. But if you think it need more season, like I just taste this, need a little bit more season, just a bit of salt and pepper. Next, I have some frozen dill. I'm gonna put my dill in there, but that's what I want to go with my sauce. And that's your sauce ready. Lovely cream of dill sauce. So our new potato is ready. So I'm just going over it with a bit of butter and a little bit of coconut oil. Now we're going to season him a little bit. Then just give him a little bit of toss. If you want to put some herbs on it, you can go ahead. I'm going to put some thyme over it, some fresh thyme. And this just helps finish it off. Give him another toss. And now it's time to plate up. So we're going to plate this simple as possible. First thing down is our sauce. You don't really need a lot. Just enough to cover the center of the plate. Then our greens. Gonna get some new potato. Now you can do this however you wish to do it. If you want to put it around, go ahead, just make it yours. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. So we're gonna grab our fish and we're gonna put skin up. So with that, if you want, you can put, so that's even, just some new potato around this. Just to finish it off, just a slice of lemon. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Pan-fried salmon, new potato, some lovely creamy dill sauce and spring greens. If you do find value in this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do leave a positive comment. It's absolutely fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.